Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial I will show you how to design a monogram logo, using Shape Builder tool and Line Segment tool. Today we will design HB monogram logo. Make sure watch to the end of the video. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and ask me anything in the comment section. Have a nice watching. Select the Line Segment tool. Hold Shift and draw a line from here. After that, hold Alt and drag. OK? Now I will automatically generate other copies by clicking Ctrl+D many times. Now go to the Polygon tool. Click, and create a polygon. OK, hold Shift and rotate this. Now drag it and place it like this. After that hold Shift and drag. Now select the all lines and press Ctrl+C to copy and Ctrl+F to front paste. Hold Shift and rotate. Again select all lines. Go to the Transform, Reflect, and rotate vertically 60 degrees. While they are selected again go to the Transform, Reflect, and click Horizontal and copy. OK. Now select this polygon and press Delete. After that, select all and go to the Shape Builder tool. Select a color from here. Zoom in. Now click and drag to join these parts carefully. Zoom in and join every small part. Hold the space bar to activate the hand tool, so you can move the artboard. Join every small part carefully. OK. Now, select these two shapes and drag out. After that select the All Objects, and press Delete. Now select this shape and go to the stroke panel. And take the stroke thickness around 25 pt. Perfect. After that, select and go to the object. Expand. Click OK. And go to the Pathfinder and Compound. OK. Now select the Polygon tool. Click here to stroke color. Hold Shift and rotate. Now select all and go to the Align. Select the horizontal Align Center and vertical Align Center from here. After that, select this and take the stroke thickness around 35 pt. Now select this and make something bigger. OK. After that, select this stroke shape and go to the object, expand, and click OK. Our logo design is complete. I hope you liked the video. If you like the video, then definitely don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.